Hello everyone, thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this tiger nut milk drink with you. Very easy to put together and you will love it at the end of this video. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Effie. Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Now without wasting my time, let's get started. For ingredients, I'm going to be using tiger nuts. You can also use the black ones if that is what you have. All right, moving forward, I'm also going to be using coconut. This is dried coconut or matured coconut and it's best for this recipe as well. Next, I'm going to be using negro pepper. You can also use cloves as well if that is what you want. Moving forward, I'm also going to be using ginger. This is fresh ginger. It's very spicy. You can use less or more if that is what you want. Next, I'm also going to be using dates and I'm using the soft ones. You can also go for the dry ones if that is what you have. Next, to a blender, I'll go in with my tiger nuts. I've washed this tiger nut very well, right? Moving forward, I also go in with my date, my chopped coconut or matured coconut. I also go in with my ginger, my negro pepper. Moving forward, I also go in with my cold water. I'm using cold water because I'm going to consume this drink right away. You can also use room temperature water if that is what you have. All right, make sure to go in with enough water to blend this because the ingredients we're using is really hard, so you need to go in with more water to make the blender really blends it very well, right? So afterwards, I will get some chiffon cloths because that's what is going to help me separate the chaff from the drink. You can also use anything that can help you strain out the juice very well, right? So after transferring everything into the chiffon cloth, I will tie it very well just the way you see it on your screens right now, and I will make sure to squeeze it until I get all the juices out from the chaff. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after squeezing out to get the chaff, I realized the chaff was too much and it wasn't able to blend very well, so I needed to re-blend it again, and that's what you see me adding to it because why not? We are not wasting anything right here. So I'll make sure to squeeze it out very well to get rid of all the chaff from it. Alright, so this is what you should get after squeezing out all the chaff from the drink. You should get a very smooth drink, just the way you see it on the screens right now. So I tasted it and I realized the sugar wasn't enough. Remember, I've added in some dates already, so if you are really not a fan of sugar, that's just fine, but I'm not enjoying this alone, so I needed to go in with just a little bit of sugar to balance it very well. So remember as well to stir it for the sugar also to dissolve very well. And at this point, I was just loving how this whole tiger nut milk turned out. It turned out very creamy and not too watery, and I just love the consistency as well. So now all that is left is for you to serve yourself and enjoy. And to really enjoy this drink, I need some ice cubes to really make this drink really cold for me to enjoy this. Now look at how milky this tiger nut milk turned out. I hope you're going to try this recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comments in the comment section. Let me also know what you think about this tiger nut milk drink in the comment section as well, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel, also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.